week without them, but guess who's back? Back again. Heat alerts are back. Tell a friend. Clouds providing some shade that can help with the heat a little bit. Well, if you want shady, this is what I'll give you. A couple days where it's going to be partly cloudy. We were talking about soccer there. That's one of my favorite things to do for physical activity and exercise with my family. But lately, the humidity won't let me be or let me be me. So let me see. There's not much of an alternative. We're seeing some storms this morning, and get ready because this is about to get heavy in the northern part of the state the next couple of days. Severe storms just north of Houston. Now, this looks like a job for me. So everybody just follow me. I'll let you know if we have severe storms coming our way tomorrow. 80s might not seem that bad, but testing. Attention, please. Take a look at this. 9 o'clock in the morning.
Realistic Roleplay, there was so much fun and action, copter truckers, taxi buses, and so much more. If you want to join the server, the link is down below in description for Discord server. And there were way more players in the roleplay than in the photo as shown.